Hey everybody, this is Dan from D&E Smoked Meats. Today's Friday and we're going to start making hot stir fry to order. Just give us a call and let us know what you'd like to have in it. We've got some nice options here. Peppers, carrots, snow peas, mushrooms, and in this case chicken and broccoli, and Chef Jonah is going to get at it.
Ready to go. Pan's hot. We're going to throw some sesame oil in. And then our peppers, carrots, and mushrooms. We're going to throw in some snow peas, broccoli, and chicken. Hey, hey. We're going to finish with a little hoisin sauce.
Do you mind bringing it to this nice lady out here?
Hillary.
It looks good.
Awesome, thank you.